Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Style. So this is another template preview. I did a template to go with these Nutter Butter bars. You can get these from Walmart. Big old box. This was a request from Patreon, so the video with the measurements will be over there. But I just want to show you guys what these look like because I've never seen these before. This was my first time seeing those. And this is the template that I came up with. This is what it looks like, and it is on both sides. Super cute, super adorable. You guys, I love it. Super cute. Look at that. You guys can use this for any event, birthday, you know, gifts, even gifts, you know, like an Easter basket. Customize it, put it down in there, anything. So if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and the link to my Patreon will be in the description box. Yeah, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.